Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today we are back again with the Mazda B2200 engine rebuild series. So today, as you guys saw in last episode, we kind of broke the engine stand, the wheel on it. The engine stand we got from one of my grandpa's friends who used to rebuild Model A Fords. So it's a super old engine stand and the wheel just ended up breaking. No big deal there, so we're going to fix that, and then we're going to do the final teardown of the B2200 engine, get it as disassembled as we can. If we have to go into the next video, if I forget something in between videos, it's fine, but it should come pretty much all the way apart. So yeah, without further ado, I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get to tearing down this engine.
I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall.
Well, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Quick few things before we end it off officially though. First of all, we have decided on a name. You guys commented, you guys liked the comment, so we're sticking with Piston Pat for the name of the engine, so we'll be calling the engine Piston Pat. Second of all, as you can see in front of me, I have a package, and this is actually from Atkins Rotary. It's a little known fact, I feel like, that Atkins actually sells products for other Mazdas. So if you're looking for Mazda parts, still hit up Atkins Rotary, even if it's not a Rotary. They actually just got a whole new inventory of regular Mazda parts in, so if you need parts, definitely hit up Atkins rotary. This is what the guys over at Atkins has sent me. It's an ECCPP timing kit, actually for the Mazda B2200. So this is brand new parts that we will be putting onto the engine. So thank you guys so much over at Atkins, as well as they gave me some stickers that say Atkins rotary and Mazda parts. So like I said, it's not only rotary stuff, they also do regular Mazda parts, which will be super helpful in this build as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the progress of the engine. It is fully apart now. As you guys saw, crankshaft is completely out. We haven't totally taken apart the head, but I don't think I'm going to do that quite yet. The next video will be a cleaning video, so we've already started filming that. Kira and I, which thank you so much, Kira, for helping me take the engine apart, and thank you, Katrina, for stopping by, and everyone who stopped by as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.
There goes a sight from my soul.